Mooey booey! Hey, you're taking up all the room. Go sit down. All right, hello. We are ready for a word ladder. Okay, so let's do one. Now, there's 4 letters, and the first word is the bottom of something. It holds it up. Okay, so let's put in our vowel. Oh, A is our vowel with a silent E at the end. Anybody know the bottom of something or it holds it up? Aha. Let's put a B and an S there. What is this word? Yes, this word is base. Let's tap this word. Ready? Elbows up and go. Base. B-A-S. Base. How many sounds are in this word? Well, let's see. We have the sound B, the sound A, and the sound S. Oh, there's 3 sounds in this word. What kind of syllable is this? This is a vowel consonant E. You got it. Nice job. Okay, so we are going to change the first letter, and it's going to be this. A laptop is carried in its... Let's change this first letter. A laptop is carried in its case. Yes. So we're going to... Oh, wait a second. What's going to make that sound? Case. Comes at the beginning, and it's followed by an A, so it has to be a C. Now, if this was an E, I, or Y, it would be K. But since it's not, it's C. If the sound K comes at the beginning of a word, it's almost always going to be C. Well, what is this word? Yes, it is case. Let's tap this word. Ready? Go. Case. K-A-S. Case. Nice job. Okay, and now we are going to change the third letter. Okay, and it means to look after something. So I take blank of our dog. So if you look after your dog, you take what of the dog? Yes, you take care of your dog. What letter is going to go there? K-er. Ah, you're right. It's going to be an R. We take care of our dog. Nice job. Next word. We're going to change the first letter, and it means not covered. The sidewalk feels hot to my blank feet. The sidewalk feels hot to my... Rhymes with care. Our bare feet. Ah, so if it's not covered, it's bare. So what letter is going to go right here? Bare. Yes, it's going to be a B. So we went from care to bare. Good job. Next word means a bundle of hay or straw. We're going to change the third letter. A bundle of hay or straw. A blank of hay. A bale of hay. Bale. What's going to go here? B-A-L. Bale. Let's tap that word. Elbows up and tap. Bail. B-A-L. Bail. Nice job. Oh, what kind of syllable is this? Vowel consonant E. Yes, good job. Okay, and our last word, we're going to change the last letter, and it is what a pitcher throws to a catcher. What do you throw? And we need to change that last letter. What could it be? Oh, you throw a ball to the pitcher or to the catcher. Ball. So what's going to go there? Aha! It is an L. Ball. Let's tap that word too. Elbows up and tap. Ball. All. Oh, yes, we have A-L-L, ball, all. Oh, so that is a glued sound. What are some words that rhyme with ball? Well, let's see. What if I change this B to a C? What is this word? Ball? K-all. K-all. Call. Those rhyme, ball and call. What if I change this letter to an F? We still have A-L-L, ball, all, but now we have an F. All. Fall. Good job. Okay, that is today's word ladder. Nice job. I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.